Hi everyone, in this video we're looking at percentage increase and decrease, and before we look at this problem I just want to quickly go over I guess a summary of these two things. So when we're looking at a percentage increase, we need to think about what that really means. So say we've got some amount that we want to increase by a percentage, we would times it by 1 plus that percentage amount over 100. So let's explain why that is. So because percent means per 100, if we take that percentage and divide it by 100, that gives us the decimal that is equivalent. And then when we times it by 1, that keeps our original amount but just adds on that percentage increase. So we'll show that in an example in a second. When we're looking at a percentage decrease, it's a very similar formula. So we take our amount, we multiply it by 1, and we still have the percentage over 100, but because it's a decrease, we subtract that amount. Okay, so let's look at these ideas with these two numbers over here. So question A, we're increasing by 8%. So we would take 10,500 and multiply it by 1 plus 8 over 100. So let's see what 1 plus 8 over 100 looks like. So divided by 100. That gives us 1.08. So what we're actually doing here is we're timesing 10,500 by 1.08. So actually you don't need to write this as you're working each time. It's enough just to go straight to this decimal. Okay? Anyway, once you've got that expression, you can put that into your calculator. So we can go 10,500 times 1.08, and that gives us 11,340. So 11,340, and the question was asking us to increase $10,500 by 8%, so we should really put our dollar symbol in there as well. So yeah, just remember when you're doing a percentage increase to write it as a decimal so that you can simplify the way that you apply your working. Okay, I'll look at percentage decrease very quickly as well. So if we're decreasing 120 by 12%, then we'd be timesing it by 1 minus 12 over 100. And so we could write that as 120 times, well, let's look at what 1 minus 12 divided by 100 is, 0.88. So if you think about it, that makes sense because 88 would be the same as 100 minus 12. So we're just sort of taking 12 100ths off 1. So now we can put that into a calculator. We can go 120 times 0.88, and that gives us 105. So if we decrease $120 by 12%, we get $105.60. Okay. So it's fine when you're doing your working to skip straight to that step there. You don't need to write out the stuff in the brackets, but if you feel like you need that to help you understand, go for it. And the work today is on OneNote, so you'll need to go into the content library to get this, and there's the answers below there as well for these problems. Thank you.